allowing the eyes to comfortably close or gaze to a fixed point. And watching the breath in the body, watching the breath rising and falling. Breath flowing in and out. And that breath is always there, a reminder for us to be present in this moment. And if it helps with your focus, you can count the breath. So as you breathe in 1, out 2, in 3, out 4, in 5, out 6, in 7, out 8, in 9, and out 10. And beginning back at 1, at your own time. Some people struggle to get all the way to 10. So if it works for you better, maybe you just count up to number 5 and then back at 1. If the mind wanders, just drawing the awareness back to the breath. Breath rising 1, falling 2. And continuing either to 5 or to 10, whichever works for you. And when you're ready, gently opening the eyes.